Ano yan na if
Ha?
Necklace.
Yeah, later.
What's up, guys? What's up, mga lods?
It's gonna be ano lang, puro a walking vlog lang. Pag tinanong, anong ginawa niyo? Wala, naglakad. Ha?
Post this on TikTok. Sayang, nag-white ka na lang, tita.
May white din naman ako eh. Oh.
Shirt
Yung
mo.
shorts.
Para matching tayo.
Wala ka white shirt eh. I was supposed to wear the light gray one, but I don't know where it is.
You have a lot of white shirt. I have seen you wear a lot of white shirt.
It's pambahay.
Lods. We are at SM South Mall pala.
Piniwak pa? Oh,
Let's go. Microbox.
mas maikli pa. What if I get microbox, babe?
I've seen you, your hair is microbangs.
Huh?
Huh? Yung, may nakita na akong, microbangs. Yung high school sa...
grade 10.
Yung
Oh,
bangs sila hanggang dito. Like, dito talaga. Tapos, yung nakita ko sila, sabi ko, be, anong bangs yan? Dora? Tapos sabi nila, hindi, microbangs yan. Sabi ko, ay.
Okay, bye-bye guys.
That part ba?
Oh, baby. Oh, isa daw. Natry mo namang makaamoy ng fart bomb talaga, Bill.
Yes. I bought fart bomb, tapos nilagay ko sa party ni Kuya.
Crazy.
Just joking. I've never tried fart bomb, but I wanna try it now.
Ayun oh, mga ganyan oh. Di ba? Doon. Ba to?
mask.
How much ba yung budget mo?
My money is your money. Pwede rin to.
They have the shop right
No. Diba? Then limang mask or
Mga ganyan na essential oil fat. Ganyan talaga pag trend tayo. Ganyan na yung mga gusto. Ha? Lashaw? There's no lashaw. Lashaw mo, lasang kilikili.
I like it.
Small gifts na to sa ano, iuhulog mo, mug. Di ba dito yung lashaw?
Dito yun.
Dito. Di ba yan yan? Ay, spicy gluten. What's this?
The better one is this one.
Ano yan na if
That.
you select the video and then you
Parang flag?
no. Parang continue mo yung huling.
Yeah.
So it's like 1 to 3.
One and a half. Hello, guys. First.
I don't know what you want. Mga soap ba? Hand wash? Body wash?
Face mask.
Perkala chonko. What's that?
Chips.
Ah, you did.
No. Stop. Yeah. Ang takya ba ito? Yan, musyo. Ito, tapos yun. This one, part of baby. Oh, these are the kind of ano.
I'm happy.
Ano yan?
Thank you po.
For a while. Thank you. Yung step pura sa akin. This put in for
Sama siya sa order.
kasama sa
This is every tempura po.
Bali mo daw.
Sir, kunin
A few moments later.
Bakit ulit? Eh, yung 8 ulit eh.
Yeah. Maayos na yung bulungan ngayon eh. Malinis na siya. Hindi na sila nagbubulungan, nagsisigawan na sila. Yung mga get over. Bailey, pag pumunta ba na yung bulungan, tahimik doon. Pwede di call it bulungan if it's not nagbubulungan kung nagsisigawan sila. They tell you, they bulong the prices kasi. Yeah. Kanya, they say the kilo. Ma'am, 300 per kilo. O, tapos kumuha ka 1 kilo sa kanila. Sobra. Sige ma'am, 250 na lang. They will say it na pabulong. There's more rice. When the sun goes down and the moon comes up. Ano, tara? Let's go na.
Yan, with the camera.
Hey. Pin.
Or? Is it videoing? Yeah.